Hello, how are you? Eugenia here, and today I came here to present you a novelty of this amazing product called Irresistible Texts, and this will make him get hooked on you. If you have questions like how to make a guy like you by message, what to send a message to him when he walks away, how to make a guy interested in you by message, what to send to your boyfriend after a fight, what to send a message to a guy you like, what to send a message to him to make him miss you. You identified with any of these questions, or your question is another different, we also have an answer to help you and make this guy be fascinated by you. And you'll wish you were there every day. If you're totally lost and don't have creativity to make happen a cool conversation with that guy you've been watching for days or months, if you're shy and do not know what to send him in a text message, without creativity to call him for a dinner or a walk to the park, then this guide is for yourself. Today I want you to know this product that will make him fall for you. That's all we want, is not it? Leave them at our feet and have our crush to be our company and enjoy everything good and wonderful with him, and making that trip with him, sharing that wine on a cold night, or so many other things. Or if you already have a crush that is kind of offline, this material online here will help you with that too. Now you can start planning your next steps of adventures with your admirable man. This is a dream. If you want to know more about this sea of possibilities, click on the link of the description of this video to access this content right there in your home. Click on the description link to have access to this online material that will arrive in your email very soon, and start today to use your imagination to send bold and passionate creative messages to your crush. I bet he'll want to be with you every day. If liked, leave your like and send this video to your friend. I'm sure she will thank you. Horrors. Jinhos. See you soon. Hello, how are you?